Hello guys, I am very happy with a lot of you guys who took my training, whatever level they took, and I see progress when they send me emails and they show me their progress, the stocks that they are in, how they move, how they make money, the losers, how they exit with a stop loss. This is what I like to see in my students. It means they follow rules and they become disciplined. Now, I will tell you a small story before. I teach individual before I make my training online. I teach some students before, like individual by Skype, and I teach one woman the first session and a swing trader, and I show her how to do the search, how to search for stocks, where to buy them, what are the good stocks. We finish the first session and I give 1 week or 2 or 3 for practice. And then after the practice, I do the second session and I will see how things works. Okay. That woman bought a stock. The second day it goes up. It just goes up. It's not a gap up. Because I know, I told you before, that a gap up, I said most of the time. A gap up, it should be like some money, okay? It's not, $1 is not a gap up, or $2, it's not a gap for me. I'm not selling a stock after $1 or $2. Understand that. It could be $8, $10, $15, $20 when there is a gap. Like I do with Facebook, 2 times. The last time it was, I think, $10, but the other earnings, it was $15 and $15 a gap up. That is how I make money. Now, and she told me she sold half of the shares she bought second day, and then she continues with the trade. Now I ask her the question, why you sell your shares, the half of the shares? Let's say she bought 100 shares. The second day she sold half of them. She told me, I have seen another guru tell us it's good to sell half of the shares the second day. I tell her, I'm not interested to know who is this person. Trader or big trader or investor or wherever he is. I don't care. I tell her, are you going to follow my rules, my way of trading, or are you going to follow others and to mix up? If you mix up, this is not my strategy, so I will just teach you like this. You finish and buy. Okay? And she told me, no, it's true. And she began to argue with me about something I teach. I say, if you follow this guru for a long time, either for free or why you take my course? You take my course to follow what I say. Now, when you follow what I say, you do it. If you have other ideas, it's okay. You do it for yourself. I don't mind, because trading is always developing to the better, to the better, the better. But the course is so simple and it gives you the basics, so stay. Now, after a few days, the stock will go up, and then she sold the 50 shares that it is left after 1 week or 2. I told her, try to see if you keep the 100 at last and you sell them, how much you make. And if you have sold half in the second day and then you sell the other half in the at last, like after a few days or weeks, you see how much you make. Which one is better, my strategy or the other guy's strategy? Oh, she told me, yes, your strategy is better, but I get influenced by that guy. He told me you should sell. I say to her, we are not doing day trading here. Those people who sell the half of their shares, those who have millions of shares bought or 500,000, those are big traders. They buy a big chunk of a stock, and after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they see some colossal like profits. They try to sell 25%, for example, or 50%. They get profit, and then they wait for many weeks or many months to take the other profit, and that's it. This is a technique they do, but they have too much money. Now you buy a stock with 100 shares. You are not a big trader, so why you cut your money? And then you say 50 after $1 profit. What does it mean? It means your gain is only $50, and then you leave this 50 shares to the future. Maybe it goes $2 or $3 or $5, and then you sell them. So your profit will be cut into half. I say to her, why you do this? You know, there are some students, most of the students are good, but some people are stubborn. That's why it is very, very difficult that they will succeed. So if you are a student, especially for me or following me, you should open your mind. Erase what you have before, all the information that you had before, erase it. And go to take the training from the zero, from the beginning. You understand clearly how things works. And then when you see clearly, you don't need me, you don't need anyone else, you don't need any guru or anyone online or to show you what to do. If you buy stock and you get stuck, you know what to do. If you buy stock and it's going up and you are making money, you know what to do. If the stock is against you, you know what you do. You know how to take risk. You know to calculate risk. You know everything. But with simple techniques, very easy techniques. It doesn't, like for example, searching for stocks, it doesn't take 5 minutes. You search for stocks, you put two criteria, search for stocks, you put them in the chart, then you check the best ones, you buy them. That's it. Tomorrow, what do? At the end of the day, if they continue to go up, that's it, what you should do, and just leave them. Leave the profit coming to you. The stock market give you a reward when you are with the trend. The stock market rewards you when you are not stubborn, when you understand the market. If the market is against you, he tells you, I am against you. You see that the second day you begin to lose money. He gives you a warning. He say, man, I'm going south. You are going north. If you don't exit or you try to think to exit, I will crush you. Now, those people who are beginners, who don't take training, who don't understand anything, they stay. The second day or third day, they send them another warning, and then we have a hedge fund coming and he hit the stock, and then they lose 10%, 20%, 20%, and they begin crying. When they begin crying, they see all their money is gone, 20%, 50%, or 50%. They sell into a pain. It's very painful when you are wrong and you are stubborn. But when you exit the trade with a stop loss, and then you see the stock going down and going down, you say, oh God, I am so lucky. But it is not luck here. You do it because, it's not because you know that the stock will go down. You do it because you are disciplined. This is not luck. You say, oh God, I'm lucky. You are not lucky. You do what it is right on the right moment as the strategy is concerned. I'm telling you always, the students who will learn and practice, they ameliorate their performance, they begin to make money steadily. In 1 year or 2 or 3, you will see the money coming, and it will be something that you have acquired through skills, through strategies. You understand everything. If something happened to your trades, you will understand why. So you not be astonished or or surprised that something happens. You understand everything, and anything can happen in the market. Okay? One time, I was in Twitter. I told you about this story before, but I will repeat it again for those who haven't seen them or heard this story. The stock of like Twitter was going up, so I bought it, and I put stop loss as always. What did happen? At 2 o'clock, I opened my account. I see my stocks, and I see Twitter. Now, I was doing some emails, answering emails, checking something, doing some search about stocks, about the other thing. And nearly around 3 or 3:20, I want to buy some stocks, or I don't find Twitter in my account. I say, where is Twitter? There is a problem. Broker stole my Twitter, stole my money. Okay? So I was astonished. I was, what did happen? Now I go there without calling the broker who was selling, because I say it was sold. I don't know why it is sold. I just see it's good. It's $2 more than what it was before. Then when I go to the chart, I see a big candle, a red candlestick going down with $10 or $14. In the morning until 2 o'clock, everything was good. But at 3 o'clock, maybe a big mutual fund has sold all his shares, because the stock has gone down 14 points and stay in the bottom. It's not just someone do a short selling and then other people buy and it goes up again, as you see it before. But when it goes down, it stays down. Okay? And I say to myself, thanks God that I use stop loss. Because you are losing 14 points in that day. $14 for each share you bought. Understand that. It's not a game. It's not something that you can just, you say it will never happen. Anything can happen in the market. Another time, I bought a stock and I put video on it with $11.55. I just find the stock, I like it, so I bought it. It is on the signal, and it goes with all my criteria that I like. I like the stock. I like how it looks like in the chart, so I bought it. 3 days, it goes from $11.55. It goes to $29.50. 3 days only. 300% of my money in that trade. It was one of the best trades I have done in my life. 300%. It's not a penny stock. It's $11. It goes to $29. And I put video on it. At that time, I don't know when, 2 years or 3 years ago. This, what does it mean? It means the stock can go down. You will never know where it goes. It can go to zero. It can go to zero because sometimes the stock gets enlisted from the exchange. It was public and now it's private. Okay? Sometimes it happens like this. So they give you money, your money back. This is not bankruptcy. They just get listed. But there is another problem, is that when we have a bankruptcy, okay? Bankruptcy, the company doesn't say that they have trouble. You can hear some troubles, but they don't say that we are going to a bankruptcy. Now, what will happen is that the big investors, they know before, because they have they investigate and they have some agent to look after the company. If they see the stock is going down, for many earnings dates, many quarters, they get troubled and they think that there is something going with this company, so they begin to take their money from the company by selling millions of shares. Now you and we can't know this information. But the people who are investing for the long run, and the beginners, and the people who are old, or people who are young, or the people who don't know, they just invest because no one knows. Because these companies, they don't say we are going to be bankrupt. Because if they say in 1 second, 2 seconds, all the people will sell. It will be a big problem for this company. That's why they don't sell. They don't say in the media. But you can see that the investors are selling. For example, Twitter. It was 74.73. Now it is 14. What do you think? The people, the big investors, are selling because they see a Twitter is not making enough money and it's not a big bargain. That's why they took their money. Now, if Twitter in the future goes up or goes down, it's just the future will tell us. Or it begin to make money, some other people or mature friends, they begin to come and buy it. But not now, okay? As we see now, it's $14. We don't see any sign. Okay? So, students who learn and practice and ask questions. That's why for me, I have something that I'm proud of, is just my email. I advertise for my email. I put it everywhere. And I say, you guys, if you have any question related to day trading, especially swing trading and investing, if you have some ideas, some questions that you are not sure if it is correct or no, just send me an email and I will give you some information. If it is related to my training and something, I will explain. Okay? Just to give you the help that you need to, at least to become independent trader in the future. And this is why I am here. I want to make people independent. Okay? They say, oh, that guy Kareem, I took his course and I'm making money right now, and it's you. It means it's the student who make money. For me, I just show you the way. It's like the proverb that says, I can take a horse to the river, but I can never make him drink. Okay? You understand that? A teacher is always a teacher, or coach is always a coach. It means it shows you the way, it shows you what to do. But you, if you don't want to do, no results will be. Even if someone gives you the best strategy in the world, you don't do it, you don't practice it, you don't do it, you will never succeed. It's just because you don't want to. That's why trading and swing trading and investing, it's not for the lazy people. Lazy people, they will fail in everything they do in their life. That's why, for me, to do a business, you should learn, take control of everything, ask questions, which is the best thing you can do, is ask questions. If you have something that it is normal, not normal, or you think it's normal, but it is not. Okay? Fees, a lot of stuff. Someone told me, there are some small brokers that they have a limited stocks they put in their website, they say buy. Okay. I can choose, or anyone for you, in your broker, you can choose thousands of stocks. Any stock that you choose, you go and buy it. But a broker that shows you 10 stocks or 20 stocks, this is the best, and buy. What does it mean? It means he has already bought the stocks and he will sell them to you. It means you are doing business with him. You are not doing business with with the exchange. You are not buying from the exchange, you are buying from him. Or he can buy from the exchange and sell to you with a profit. And sometimes these brokers, they give you only one price. They don't give you bid and ask. Okay? They give you the price that he wants you to buy. So you don't know how much it costs. Okay? If the stock at the day, let's say the stock is $15, but you bought it with 15, 20 cents or 30 cents or 16. You make transaction like this. Okay? So what does it mean? It means he is selling to you from his own inventory. He buys the stocks and he sells it to you. So that's why you should be aware, you should be careful, you should look at your broker and see what's going on, man, before you get ripped off. Okay? And this is what I am teaching always to the people through the training. It means I make them aware of the business. You are doing swing trading, you follow trends, you should understand everything you are doing, and then you can make money when you understand. Have you ever seen someone who comes to do an application and they go for an interview and he asks the manager, oh, okay, give me a paycheck of 2 weeks and then tomorrow I will come to begin to work. Okay? Do you think that a manager or any company accept that? No. You should work first for 2 weeks or 1 week. For some companies, 1 week. You should work 2 weeks. And then the third week, they send you a paycheck. Because you work, they see what do. You do something and then you get reward. Some people in traders and new traders, they want to see the money, but they don't want to work or to get a training. How can you, from where do you get the money? Okay? It means it's what always I'm talking about is logic. Try to be logic. That's why I say always trading is math. It is something which is magic, which is based on price, based on calculations, based on logic thing. It's not based on superstition or magic. Okay? If it is magic, the clowns in the circus or the magician, they will do better in the stock market. That's it. Okay? Why we should go to the circus and play there and get some clown thing, and then we will make some money from the market. Okay? So the market is serious. The market is taking money from you, or you are getting money from the market. So it is serious. Some people are throwing their money. They don't know what they are doing. And then when they lose, they send me an email. Oh, Karim, I lost $137,000 in one trade. What should I do? Okay, what should I do? Did you take my training? Oh, you say no, I don't know you. Okay. What should I do to you? Either you take training and understand the training, how to buy, how to sell, how to do things, and then you try to begin slowly, and then you can make money. But there is another guy who lost $40,000, and he has only $5,000 left. It means his account was $45,000. He traded many months and he lost $40,000. I don't know how he lost two big account like this, but he lost them. He has $5,000. He told me, can I, with your strategy, double my money each month? It means he's thinking to make money, but he's not thinking to understand trading, to understand the training. Okay? So people, most of the people who are beginners, sometimes they become illogical. They don't think well. They have dreams, they have hopes, they have luck in their head, but they don't want to do business. They plan things, they train, they get training, they plan, they practice, they take it seriously. It doesn't mean that you should take hours each day, like someone else Someone sent me an email. He told me, oh, I bought stock, I watch it each minute. I say, what? Are you doing day trading or doing swing trading? He told me, no, I'm just buying a stock and leave it for weeks or days or months, and each minute I just go to cell phone or go to and check where is my stock going. I say, this is not the way we do business. You shouldn't be looking at your screen each day, each minute, or each 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If you are doing day trading, you should be watching your position, because it's day trading. If it is swing trading like us, you buy at the end of the day, and then tomorrow at the end of the day you will see. If it's going up, you are in the money. You are making money. It's very easy. If it is against you, the stock will not go up. Understand that. You should exit. That's the thing. If you stay more, maybe the stock will be going more and more and more down, and you will be losing money. Okay? So this idea of following techniques, following things, it should be, for my opinion, it should be from one person you take the training. There is no need to go here and there and mix everything up, and then you go to your account and begin to do I don't say stupid things, but you do, and you mix things. You take techniques from this guy and you apply it on this on this strategy of the other guy, and you mix everything, and you think that with that you will make money. You will never make money with that. Especially those who use a lot of indicators, a lot of moving averages, and they think that this is a source of making money because all the people use them. Okay? And you enter to the crowd thinking. It means you think as the other people think. Well, this is a dangerous thing. You should think by yourself. You should make a judgment of the stock that you buy. When you search, you buy. And don't tell anyone about what you buy until you make profit. When you make profit and you sell the stock, and then you can speak about it. Like I do. I will never tell you, oh, okay, do this, or buy this, or do that. No, I will not, because this is business. Okay? If you want to do the same as I do, you should take the training and search as I do, and you find your own stocks and you buy them. If they go good, you make money. So this is the business. It's, trading is a lonely business. Okay? It is not a crowd business. People who are going to do a chat in order to trade, they do forum in order to trade, most of them, they don't succeed. Why? Because a lot of people, they just post something that, oh, I bought this, I sold this, I did this, but most of the time they are just players. They have no money, and maybe they are just making fun in the chat room or in the forums. And a lot of people, they told me about other providers. They do chat rooms, they do forums, they do a lot of stuff, and and it will never help anyone else. Okay, so it's just a waste of time and waste of money to pay to be together. We make money together. There is no this such thing of to make money together. Okay, it doesn't exist in stock market. A mutual fund, when a manager, he has to swear, okay, that he will never give information to anyone, even his wife or his kids. Let's say a mutual fund manager is your father. He will never give you what he buys, because if he gives you the stocks that he will buy, you will become a millionaire. Okay? So this is like insider trading, and this is forbidden by the government. The stock market is forbidden to do like this. So in the online, when you see online, people they publish, oh, buy this, buy this, buy this. It's just an opinion. They say it's just an opinion. It has risk, but it is just because they are paid. They say buy this stock, buy this stock. Sometimes I go online just to see. I don't go to these channels or business channel. I don't go, because for me it doesn't help me anything. I don't need them. If I want to see the stock or to see fundamentals or to see some, I have the chart which I trade with. If I want to see something else, I just go and see the regular thing, what's about this company or the news or whatever. So I don't use the news to make me money. I don't. That's why what I teach you to do and to make money only with the price. That's why you have, the price doesn't lie. If the stock go down, it means it go down. Okay? If you lose money, it means that you lose money. Some people, someone told me, oh, if I don't sell, I don't lose. I say, okay, I'm telling you an example. Facebook was 74. Let's say you bought it at 74. Just an example, okay? Now it is 14. So you don't lose anything, right? According to your opinion. You say, oh yes, it might go up from 14, it goes to $500 or like Google or like, I say, okay. But now it's $40. What if Twitter go bankrupt or it is bought by another company? They will give you just this $14 for each share. They will not give you 74 that you bought with. So that's why people in their mind, they don't understand the price. That's why those beginners, they lose money and they continue losing money. That's why others who are my students or my followers, I am very happy with them because they begin to understand the real trading, the real swing trading, very easy techniques, very easy things, and they just apply these things and they try. Okay? Those who can't be disciplined, they can't learn, they don't want to learn, they want just to give them a stock and they buy it and they make money and they follow these things, they will never become swing traders or they will never become independent traders, and they rely on other people until they lose all their money. Okay? So hope what I say just give you an insight on how things works in the stock market and what you should do in order to ameliorate your performance and to learn more, always learn more about the market, about the companies, about the stocks, and how to buy, how to sell, how to follow an uptrend. And this is what we do in our swing trading strategies. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.